All right, so Brian, I finally figured out Thermite. It does still use potassium permanganate and glycerol, but it works really well. I finally figured it out, so I'll let you know how that goes. But anyway, we got our pre-mixed iron and aluminum in the jar here. We got our vial of glycerol, and I also have a bottle of potassium permanganate here. So that's all the chemicals you'll need. We have our 2 clay pots that already has a piece of filter paper in it, but there's more filter paper here if you do end up needing it. Here's the sand bucket, and then the ring stand here. So we do have a second ring stand that I'll keep here as well. So you're welcome to use that, but essentially what you want to do is position the watermelon somehow on this ring stand with the clay pot in it. So the clay pot should be surrounded by the carved out watermelon. You do a cool design on the front if you want to. And then below here should be the sand bucket, so that whatever flows out of the clay pot gets caught by the sand bucket. It's not gonna be much. But anyway, once that's ready, you can add the iron aluminum to the clay pot. So that's good. And then this is the secret I finally figured out. What you want to do is right before you're about to do this, that's when you actually want to grind up the potassium permanganate. And I would use about this much, again, just eyeball it. But the key is you have to grind it up for about 30 to 60 seconds really thoroughly, really thoroughly. And if you do more than 60 seconds, that's fine too. But anyway, as soon as you've grinded it up, that's when you want to add the glycerol on top of the iron aluminum mixture, and you don't have to get every last drop out. Then dump on top of that the freshly ground potassium permanganate mixture. And you'll have about 5 or so seconds from when you add in that potassium permanganate for smoke to start appearing, and then the whole thing will catch. So that's how that works.